Space exploration began in the early 20th century with the development of rocket technology. The space race between the Soviet Union and the United States marked a significant milestone, leading to the first human landing on the Moon in 1969. Space exploration has also influenced politics and culture, inspiring a sense of global unity and environmental awareness. Today, space exploration is a continuing effort that includes private companies and government agencies such as NASA and ESA. The next generation of scientists and explorers are set to take humanity to new heights in the future. Space exploration is important for several reasons. First and foremost, it advances scientific understanding of the universe and our place within it. By exploring space, scientists have been able to study planets, moons, stars, and galaxies, leading to discoveries about the origins of the universe, the formation of planets, and the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Space exploration also has practical applications that benefit life on Earth. Technologies developed for space missions have led to improvements in areas such as medicine, transportation, and communications. For example, NASA developed a water filtration system for the International Space Station that is now used in developing countries to provide clean drinking water. Additionally, space exploration has cultural and societal impacts. It inspires curiosity and wonder, encouraging people to explore and learn about the world around them. It also serves as a symbol of human achievement and the potential for innovation and progress. Becoming a space explorer requires dedication, hard work, and a range of skills and qualifications. Some of the qualities required include education and qualifications in relevant fields such as engineering, physics, or mathematics. Astronauts must also be physically fit and undergo rigorous training to prepare for the physical demands of spaceflight. Mental resilience is also important, as astronauts must be able to cope with long periods of isolation and the stress and risk associated with space travel. Strong communication and teamwork skills are also essential, as space exploration is a team effort. Many space agencies require their astronauts to be proficient in multiple languages. Finally, experience in a relevant field such as aviation, engineering, or science is typically required. If you have a passion for space exploration, there are many paths you can pursue, including working for a space agency, developing new technologies for space exploration, or contributing to research and exploration as a scientist or engineer. Physical requirements. Zero-gravity training is an essential part of preparing for spaceflight. In the microgravity environment of space, astronauts' bodies undergo significant physiological changes, and their muscles and bones can weaken due to lack of use. This makes it crucial for astronauts to train for the unique physical demands of space travel, including learning how to move and work in a weightless environment. Zero-gravity training involves simulating the microgravity environment of space using specialized aircraft, such as NASA's Vomit Comet, or the European Space Agency's Airbus A310G. These aircraft follow a parabolic flight path, climbing to a high altitude before descending rapidly, creating periods of weightlessness that last for around 20 to 30 seconds at a time. During these periods of weightlessness, astronauts can practice moving and performing tasks in a zero-gravity environment. In addition to zero-gravity training, astronauts also undergo a rigorous physical training program to prepare for the physical demands of spaceflight. This training includes cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and endurance training, as well as specialized exercises to help maintain bone and muscle mass. Educational requirements. STEM education and advanced degrees play a crucial role in preparing individuals for a career in space exploration. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and a strong foundation in these subjects is essential for pursuing a career in space-related fields. For those interested in becoming astronauts, a bachelor's degree in a STEM field is typically a minimum requirement, with many astronauts holding advanced degrees such as master's or doctorate degrees. A degree in a relevant field such as engineering, physics, or mathematics can provide a strong foundation for a career in space exploration. In addition to traditional degrees, there are also specialized programs available that focus specifically on space-related fields, such as space science, planetary science, or aerospace engineering. These programs can provide students with a deep understanding of the science and technology behind space exploration, as well as hands-on experience working on research projects related to space. Beyond traditional academic programs, there are also many opportunities for continued education and professional development in space-related fields. Organizations such as NASA offer a range of training and development programs for individuals interested in pursuing a career in space exploration, including internships, fellowships, and specialized training programs. Career paths in space exploration. Astronauts are perhaps the most well-known group of individuals involved in space exploration. They are responsible for piloting spacecraft, conducting experiments, and performing spacewalks to repair and maintain equipment. Astronauts require extensive training in spaceflight operations, as well as physical and psychological preparation for the demands of space travel. Engineers and technicians are responsible for designing and building spacecraft, as well as maintaining and repairing equipment. They work closely with astronauts and mission control personnel to ensure that spacecraft are safe, reliable, and able to perform the necessary tasks. Engineers and technicians require a strong background in engineering and technology, as well as hands-on experience in spacecraft design and operations. Scientists and researchers are responsible for designing and conducting experiments that advance our understanding of the universe. They may study topics such as astrobiology, planetary science, or space physics, and use a variety of tools and techniques to collect and analyze data. Scientists and researchers require a strong background in their chosen field, as well as experience working with scientific equipment and conducting research in challenging environments. Mission control and ground support personnel are responsible for overseeing space missions from the ground. They monitor spacecraft systems, communicate with astronauts in space, and make critical decisions in real time to ensure the success of the mission. Mission control and ground support personnel require a strong background in spaceflight operations, as well as experience working in a high-stress, fast-paced environment. Current state of space exploration. Space exploration has seen many recent missions and accomplishments that have expanded our understanding of the universe and brought us closer to achieving our goals in space. For example, in 2020, NASA successfully launched the Perseverance rover to Mars, which landed in February 2021 and began collecting data on the planet's geology, climate, and potential for past microbial life. The mission also included the first-ever flight of a powered, controlled aircraft on another planet, the Ingenuity helicopter. Another recent accomplishment in space exploration was the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope is a collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA, and is the largest and most powerful space telescope built. It will allow scientists to study the universe's earliest galaxies, stars, and planets, and search for signs of life beyond our solar system. Despite these accomplishments, space exploration still faces many challenges and limitations. One of the main challenges is the high cost of space missions, which can run into the billions of dollars. Another challenge is the risk involved in sending humans into space, which requires extensive safety measures and training. There are also technical limitations to space exploration, such as the difficulty of developing reliable and efficient propulsion systems, the limitations of spacesuits and other space technology, and the challenges of maintaining equipment and infrastructure in the harsh environment of space. Despite these challenges, there are many exciting future goals and plans in space exploration. One of the main goals is to establish a sustainable presence on the Moon, with the aim of eventually sending humans to Mars. NASA's Artemis program, which aims to land the first woman and next man on the Moon by 2024, is a key part of this effort. Other future goals and plans in space exploration include the development of new propulsion systems, such as nuclear thermal propulsion and electric propulsion, which could make space travel faster and more efficient. There is also a growing interest in space tourism and commercial space exploration, which could open up new opportunities for private companies and individuals to participate in space exploration. How to prepare for a career in space exploration. If you're a high school student interested in a career in space exploration, there are several things you can do to prepare. First and foremost, focus on developing strong math and science skills, as these are essential for many careers in space exploration. Consider taking advanced courses in subjects like physics, chemistry, and calculus, and participate in extracurricular activities like robotics or astronomy clubs. It's also important to start exploring different areas of space exploration to see what interests you the most. Attend local events, such as astronomy talks or stargazing parties, and try to meet professionals in the industry to learn about their experiences and advice. If you're considering pursuing a career in space exploration, obtaining a college degree is a common requirement. Depending on your interests, a degree in engineering, physics, or astronomy may be a good choice. Look for schools with strong space-related programs or research opportunities and consider pursuing internships or research projects during your time in college. For those interested in pursuing advanced degrees, graduate school can provide specialized training and opportunities to conduct research in a specific area of space exploration. Look for programs with faculty who are active in your area of interest and consider seeking out fellowships or research assistantships. One of the best ways to gain experience in space exploration is through industry internships and volunteer opportunities. Look for opportunities with companies or organizations involved in space-related fields, such as NASA, SpaceX, or Blue Origin, and consider participating in programs like the NASA Pathways Internship Program or the Aerospace Corporation's Internship Program. Volunteer opportunities can also be valuable, such as volunteering at a local planetarium or science museum or participating in citizen science projects that contribute to space-related research. There are many resources and organizations available to support professionals in the space exploration industry. Consider joining professional organizations, such as the American Astronautical Society or the National Space Society, to network with others in the field and stay up to date on the latest developments and opportunities. There are also many professional development resources available, such as online courses or certifications in space-related fields, and attending conferences or workshops can provide opportunities to learn from experts and develop new skills. In conclusion, preparing for a career in space exploration requires a combination of academic preparation, hands-on experience, and professional development. By focusing on developing strong math and science skills, exploring different areas of space exploration, pursuing relevant education and training, and seeking out industry internships and volunteer opportunities, you can position yourself for success in this exciting and challenging field. As we've seen throughout this video, space exploration has played a vital role in advancing our understanding of the universe and improving life on Earth. However, continued support for space exploration is essential if we want to continue making progress and achieving new milestones. What do you think about this topic? Let us know in the comments.